Hello and welcome to our exciting journey to Mars. Most of you must have seen so many such images that look like aliens on Mars. Ever wondered what could that be? Is it an alien or is it our eyes playing some sort of joke on us? Today we're going to explore some of the amazing Martian illusions. An illusion is something that tricks your brain into seeing or hearing something that isn't really there. Satellite images also show some similar illusions, and these are called Martian illusions. So the red planet has fascinated humans with its terrain that looks like something out of science fiction. Some believe to have spotted alien life on Mars, some talk about ancient canals and water on Mars. So many observations have led to illusions and theories. So my friends, what do you think? What's the mystery behind Martian illusions? Without any further delay, let's explore 5 amazing Martian illusions that will leave you amazed. Illusion 1. The face on Mars. In 1976, the Viking 1 spacecraft took a photo of a rock formation on the surface of Mars that appeared to resemble a human face. Some people believe that this was evidence of an ancient Martian civilization that had built the face as a monument. However, later images taken by higher resolution cameras showed that the face was actually just a natural formation caused by shadows and light reflecting off the rock surface. According to NASA, the huge rock formation resembled a human head as it was formed by shadows giving the illusion of eyes, nose, and mouth. It's a fascinating Martian illusion that shows how our brains can sometimes see patterns where there are none. Illusion 2. The Martian canals. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, astronomers thought they had seen a network of canals on the surface of Mars that were created by an intelligent Martian civilization. However, later observations and higher resolution images revealed that there were no canals on Mars. The appearance of the supposed canals may have been due to the alignment of natural surface features like craters as well as the limitations of telescopes at that time. It's an amazing example of how our minds can be deceived by optical illusions, particularly when we are trying to make sense of something that is unfamiliar or poorly understood. Illusion 3. The Martian salt flats. These are large areas on the surface of Mars where salt has been left behind by evaporated water. They can create a fascinating optical illusion. From a distance, the salt flats can appear to be filled with water, creating the illusion of Martian lakes or oceans. But in reality, it's just the way the salt is reflecting the light. The salt flats are a reminder of the watery past of Mars, and they continue to be a fascinating Martian illusion to this day. Some of the largest salt flats on Mars are in the region known as Terra Serenum and cover an area of about 2,000 square kilometers. Illusion 4. The Martian shadows. On Mars, the shadows can play tricks on your eyes. The atmosphere on Mars is much thinner than Earth's, which means that the shadows can appear longer and darker than we are used to seeing. Sometimes the shadows can even create optical illusions. One particular example of Martian shadows that has caused confusion and excitement among astronomers and the general public is the seasonal appearance of dark streaks on the Martian surface known as recurring slope lineae or RSL. These streaks can extend for hundreds of meters down the sides of Martian hills and cliffs. They were first observed in 2011 and have been the subject of intense study ever since. Some researchers have suggested that RSL could be evidence of liquid water flowing on Mars, which could suggest the possibility of microbial life on the planet, since water is the very basis of life. However, recent research has shown that the appearance of RSL could be due to dry flow of dust and sand rather than the flow of liquid water. Despite this, the appearance of the dark streaks still remains a fascinating illusion caused by the unique properties of Martian shadows. Illusion 5: The Martian Dust Devils. Dust devils on Mars are created by the same process that create tornadoes on Earth. As the surface of the planet is heated by the sun, hot air rises and creates a low pressure area near the ground. This causes cooler air to rush in and begin to spin, creating a rotating column of air and dust that can reach heights of several kilometers. The dust devils on Mars are particularly fascinating because they are much larger and more long-lived than the ones on Earth. In fact, some dust devils on Mars have been known to last for months, slowly moving across the surface of the planet and leaving behind long tracks in the dust. The illusion of alien activity arises because the dust devils can appear to move and change direction very randomly. In some cases, they may even kick up large amounts of dust and debris, creating the appearance of a sudden explosion or impact on the Martian surface. Very fascinating, right? Well, there you have it. 5 amazing Martian illusions that can trick our brains and make us see things that aren't actually there. Next time you look up at the stars, remember that there's a whole universe of fascinating illusions out there waiting to be explored.